All right, folks, we have here a used Magic Mobility Extreme 8. This is a chair. I've probably got 30 people right now asking me about this chair. I'm going to do a video, and but I'll give you all the information on this one. I only bought this one because it's still in really good condition. But this power chair here has 435 miles, so it was used for about 2-3 years. Okay, it does have 435 miles, but it runs like a brand new one. So if you're looking for a used one, full-time, part-time, as a second chair, this is the chair that will go on the beach. This is the chair that you can probably climb a tree with, okay? So this power chair has the seat lift of 12 inches. It also has the electric tilt. Electric seat lift. It has headlights, swing away joystick, drain cup holder, cell phone holder, safety belt. So I'm gonna go over all the function of this chair, okay? This chair here, for, as I mentioned, 435 miles. 4 motors. There's a motor for each wheel. Each motor is about 700 watts of power. This chair has 2,800 watts of power between the 4 motors. So it's a 4-pole motor. So this is why you can use it on the beach. These are low pressure tires, you can see, okay? This is not a chair you can use in the house. It's too noisy for inside the house. This is really only for grass. Even on the sidewalk, I would not recommend it. You're gonna wear the knobs on the tires too fast on the sidewalk. But in the dirt, if you have a yard, you have a property, you want to go fishing, you want to go to your dock, you want to go on vacation, you want to go camping, you want to go through 3 or 4 inches of water. I wouldn't go more than 3 or 4 inches of water. You can go right through a little creek. You want to go through mud. This chair will do this. You just have to be careful because it does have a lot of power. So again, 435 miles on this chair, seat lift and tilt. So to make the seat lift go up, there's a button right here, and if I hold it down, you can see the seat lift is starting to go up, okay? So you're gonna start roughly about 23, 24 inches because this is a high chair. So you're not starting like a regular chair at 22. It's gonna be a little higher than 22, and you're gonna add your 12-inch seat lift, and you can see the chair is still in excellent condition. You don't need to replace the tires for another year on it. There's your seat lift, and this chair, folks, still drive with a seat lift. It's very rare to see one of these with the seat lift elevated to drive. So this one has the actual brain, the computer, to make it drive while the seat is elevated. So there's your seat elevation. If we look at the base, you can see the actual armature for the seat lift. You can see the actuator for the seat lift right here. You can see the I think these are 13, 14-inch tires, low pressure tires, okay? Anyway, just a beast of a power chair, okay? You have an anchor point here and here, and you probably have 2 more in the front. This is where you secure your chair if you want to transport your chair, okay? You also, let me bring this seat back down. You have a safety belt. The arms do flip up. So if you transfer from the side, they do flip up. The one thing I need to say, we did not detail this chair yet. It came in and we're doing a video today, so we have not had a chance to dust it up. It's been out in the field, so it still has dirt on the wheels, so I apologize about that. So, but first day you use it, it's going to be, again, dusty like this, especially if you're going to go out there and have fun with it. So that's your seat lift, and now we're going to do what's called the electric tilt. Excuse me, folks. So the electric tilt's when the base goes back. Of course, when you get an electric tilt, it's going to take the legs and the back as they're all connected together, okay? Now, the nice thing about the electric tilt, excuse me, the nice thing about the electric tilt, look at that. You can still drive the chair with the seat tilt. I don't know who would drive it like that. But if you're going, I was going to show you about that in a second here. The wheels turn in front. When you turn the joystick, they turn. If you're going down a steep hill, what you can do on a steep hill is, if I hit the right button, that would help. And going down a steep hill, what you would do is you would tilt the seat back, probably about like this, and then you're going down the hill steady. You're not feeling like you're coming out, okay? So that's why a lot of people like that. That's why this chair will drive with the seat tilted to give you that chance to go down a steep hill. So you'll be able to tell, oh, Mark, hit the right button. You'll be able to tell what you can do, what you can't do with this chair, but you'll be able to do 10 times more than your regular power chair. So we have the seat back down. So this is a swing away joystick, so you can swing the joystick away from the front a little bit. Gives you a little more room when you get to a dining table. Okay, it's back locked. You can see the anchor point right here for the front, and the back one is right here. So that's how you secure your chair if you're going to transport on your trailer, because you'll have to have a little trailer for this, or because it's really a little too wide for most lift. There is one lift that'll work. It's the Harmar AL301XL. Harmar AL301XL. That lift will work for this chair because the platform is 36 inches, somewhere around there. So folks, I was telling you earlier, when you turn the joystick, you see how the wheels turn? Look at that. If I turn left, they turn left, okay? Right now, I've got the chair on the 5th speed. Let me slow it down because it wants to take off on me here. How do we slow it down? There we go. Profile 1. Okay, so I'm on profile. Look at that, it's better now. So you can see the front of the chair. And I'm going to turn it straight here. The footplate does flip up. So when you exit the chair, the footplate does flip up. You have a drink cup holder. You have a cell phone holder right here, a drink cup holder. These are leather arms. The seat is 18 by 21, 18 wide, 21 deep. This is a concave seat, so you have foam here and there's a hole here, okay? So, but we can change the cushion because these cushions, as you can see, come right off. So, folks, I'm not changing the seat on this chair. So let me give you some dimensions now so you know what we're talking about. The seat on this chair right now is 18 by 21, okay? We can probably put a wider cushion, okay? But the cushion would sit over here, over this light and over this, which wouldn't matter. So if you needed a 20 by 20, we could do that. We wouldn't change the frame. We would just put a bigger cushion sitting on the same 18 frame, okay? But you could do that. You have a safety belt. There's no headrest on this chair. This is a contoured cloth back, so you won't sweat in here when you're outside. Contoured cloth back. The arms do flip up, like I said earlier, and you have the cup holder, and you have this. Let's look at the back of the chair while we're at it. Let me turn it around. It's not easy to turn around in these little rooms here. All right, look at the back of the chair. So you have a push bar here, so if you need to push this chair. If you have to put this chair in neutral, there's 2 levers. They're behind this bar right here. There's 2 levers to push down. Then you can roll the chair, okay? You have a wheelie bar here. Some of you are going to need that because some of you are going to go to the extreme with this chair. So it's a nice wheelie bar here to keep you from getting in trouble. So, but I know some of you will still get in trouble. You have some more anchor points here and here. And we also have, folks, tail lights. And I don't know if we have flashers or not. Do we have flashers? Yes, we do. Flashers on both sides. Yes, we do. So, as you can see, let me turn the wheel. So folks, if you put this chair on the 5th speed, it's got so much power, it'll move fast until you're used to driving it, okay? So you can see the headlights right here. These are real headlights. You also have here a USB port right behind the light. You can't see it. There's also a cigarette lighter. I don't know what for, maybe. There's a cigarette lighter here, and there's a USB port for your phone right below that, okay? When you charge this chair, let's see if I can do this without hitting my wall here. There we go. So when you charge this chair, you will, let me just bring it over here a little bit. I don't like the way it's sitting. I don't like it's too close to my wall. All right, let's turn the wheel. There we go. Get away from my wall. I got enough scuff on the walls already. So when you charge this chair, I'm going to use this charger here. This may not be the charger, but you'll get a charger with the chair. You'll plug it right below the joystick, and as soon as the light turns green, from orange to green, the batteries are full, okay? There's 2 batteries in here on this chair. There's 2 batteries in this chair. I guess I'm repeating myself. The distance you're going to get on this chair is anywhere from 8 miles to 12 miles. It all depends how you drive the chair. If you're climbing hills all day, you're going to get 6 miles. If you're flat surface, you're going to get 12. It all depends on the weight of the user, how you drive it, how much you use the seat lift, but you're going to enjoy this chair all day long, okay? If you're going to go 7-10 miles in a day's time with this chair, that's a lot of traveling for that distance, okay? So this power chair here has a top speed of 6.2 miles an hour, so it does go pretty fast. Top speed of 6.2 miles an hour. The width of this chair is about 29 inches. From here to the other side is about 29 inches, folks. So make sure you watch the video at the end of this inside presentation. I'm going to go outside. We're going to give it a good test so you can see for yourself that what you can do with this chair. So if you're looking for a nice power chair, 4x4, 4 motors, 2,800 horsepower between the 4 motors and this chair, electric seat lift, electric tilt, headlights, swing away joystick, flip up arm, seat belt, push bars, rolly bars, headlights, tail lights, anchor points, just a phenomenal chair. You can see the wheels spin in the back. So the top speed is 6.2 miles an hour. You can feel this, the wheel spinning. It's got so much power in the back when I turn a circle on this concrete here. I'm going to take it in the grass here for a few seconds. All right, so that's not even a fair. We're going to take it in the ditch this time. So you can see, folks, this chair does all kinds of crazy stuff. There's about 6 inches of water right there, folks. Right here is about 6 inches of water right there. And this is about 3-4 feet higher right here. Too much power. This is about 4 feet high. And right here we have a 3-inch straight up concrete opening right here. You can see it's no big deal for that chair. So folks, as you can see, you're going to have a lot of fun with this chair. So this is the Extreme 8 green power chair with the 12-inch seat lift, electric tilt, electric light, drain cup holder, cell phone holder, swing away joystick. The seat we're not changing. It's 18 by 20, 21, but we can put a bigger cushion because you can overlap over here a little bit on each side, even with a bigger cushion. 4 motors, 2,800, 700 watts of motor, blah, blah, blah. 700 watts of power per motor, total of 2,800 watts, folks. Low pressure tires, 4-wheel drive, 435 miles, total miles on the chair. But as you can see, I mean, you could put a new one next to this one. It would run the same way, it would sound the same way. Great power chair, folks. Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex. We're co-owners of Marc's Mobility.
I started this company in 1995.
We sell many products, not just what you see in this video. If you have any questions or concerns, please call us at the number below at 800-677-6293. Thank you, and have a wonderful day.